The Siberian stonechat is usually found from latitude 71 degrees north in Siberia south, to the Himalaya and southwest China, and west to eastern Turkey and the Caspian Sea area. It also breeds in the far northeast of Europe, mainly in Russia but occasionally as far west as Finland. The number of observations each year in Sweden is usually no more than a handful with a median value of 5. This 2-year-old male that decided to take a rest by a fence next to a pasture, in the middle of Gotland, was the first for 2025 in Sweden.
Thanks for watching.